dance. Freedom, I call dance. I can feel it. فرحة الليل مجنونة خلي الفرحة مضمونة. خلي الفرحة مضمونة. خلي الفرحة مضمونة. فرحة الليل
Plenty more. You're my hope for the night, oh. Give me more control. Slow down for the night, oh. Let me know that you're down for the vibe. That you're down for the vibe, oh. We don't say bye bye. You can see my eyes, that I'm on the rise, oh. I believe by the light. Your body
pas ton odeur, imprégner mes draps. Et si tu m'abandonnes, je suis pas celle que tu crois. Aucun cabron ne m'a touché. À part toi, caballero, non, personne ne m'a touché. La cocaïne, vie ma famille. Je suis une clandestina, Miami. La cocaïne, vie ma famille. Je suis une clandestina, Miami. La cocaïne, vie ma famille. Je suis une clandestina, Miami. La cocaïne, vie ma famille. Je suis une clandestina, Miami.
denying, giving to the game, to the sense that you've been hiding. Is it desire, or is it love that I'm feeling for you? I want desire, 'cause your love only gets me abused. Gets me abused, gets me abused, gets me abused.
cómo se riega y la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, cómo se riega. Por el suelo. Ay, ella es bonita. Por el suelo. Ay, es verdecita. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, yo la sembré. Por el suelo. Ay, yo la sembré. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, yo la vendí. Por el suelo. Ay, yo la vendí. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, yo la sembré. Por el suelo. Ay, yo la sembré. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, yo la vendí. Por el suelo. Ay, yo la vendí. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, yo la vendí. Por el suelo. Ay, yo la vendí. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el suelo. Ay, la verdolaga. Por el
Se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto drama de nada. Dime si vienes a mi cama. En la fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto drama de nada. Dime si vienes a mi cama. En la fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto drama de nada. Dime si vienes a mi cama. En la fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto drama de nada. Dime si vienes a mi cama. Se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto drama de nada. Dime si vienes a mi cama. Se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto drama de nada. Dime si vienes a mi cama.
Chat, how are we doing? Welcome back. Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. What is good? Chat. Whoosh! We're back. Let's get fucking hype, man. How are you all doing? Welcome back to the streams. Beautiful day today. I'm hyped. I'm pretty fucking hyped right now. There's a lot of opportunity for us to get some positions here, chat. TRS merch. Good Noodle Holtz. Meris, what's good? Malinko. Ben, what's good? Who else is here, chat? Danny, what's good? What's good? How's the weather? Stunning. Stunning. C'est magnifique, as the French say, but fuck the French. Anyway, chat, look, good morning, man. Hopefully you're all good. How's everyone's morning going? If it's just getting started, let's start it off the right way. Grab yourself a coffee, grab yourself some water, grab yourself whatever the fuck you want. And let's get into this, man. What's good, Jay? What's good, Joel? What's good, Noose? I'm excited, chat. It should be a good morning. It should be an excellent morning here. Now, yesterday we caught an absolute screamer of a trade. See if we can do the same thing again early this morning. Now, chat, look. Let's do a little breakdown real quick this is how I do my top-down analysis. So we have essentially chat here. The weekly time frame is pushing up. There's a bit of a gap here. The weekly still actually has no bottom wick. So at any point, this could be a liquidity grab to flip down. But with the way that the daily's been closing and the fact that the daily's grabbing liquidity here, I don't see that as a very likely possibility. The daily's grabbed the bottom wick. You grabbed a lot of liquidity. You're looking to push back through now. The 4 hour is a little bit choppy. The previous 4 hour kind of fucked us over a little bit here with no top wick. So you could see a bearish 4 hour on this next closure here, but again, that's all going to be dependent on how we decide to push during this London Open that's coming up in about 5 minutes. 1 hour time frame is very interesting. You're starting to form a range, so this is where we're going to start to plot our levels. So let's say a very clear level right here is 29.03, and then obviously between there we have another resistance toward 29.18. Let's actually push it up a little bit here. In fact, can we put it here? Yeah, that's not too bad actually. We can either put it here or you can push it a little bit higher up. So let's actually move it up towards 29.23. No, let's leave it as it was. 29.19, very, very clean level. Once you close above there, you've got room all the way up towards 29.25, which gives you about 60 pips of room between these two areas. And then if we're looking for something in this little area here as well, in this wider range, 29.11, it's a decent level. So if we get a closure outside of any of these areas, below 29.11, it's good for sells down. Above 29.19 is good for buys until 29.25. And that's the analysis chat. Very simple, very easy, but look, that's how we do it every single day. Comes to the charts, and now all we need to do is stay patient and wait for our little closures and we're good to go. But yeah, chat, hopefully that analysis makes sense. If it does, then good. If it does not make sense, then feel free to ask any questions you have. Ask me about my levels, ask me about why I'm seeing or what I'm seeing. And yeah, we should be good, chat. As I said, a lot of potential here, a lot of opportunities for us to grab some clean positions. But we need to see some nice little closures first before we get that. For that, I'm very, very, very good. Thank you, my friend. I'm very good. I'm excited for the day. Looking forward to it. We should have a lot of opportunity here. What's good, Crypto Maniac? How you doing, brother? Morning, Squadron. What's good? All right. I try and draw lines myself every day. I'm coming closer to seeing the same as you. First time literally having all the lines the same. So, good sign, right? Good sign when someone else's analysis aligns with yours. JJ, what's good, brother? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Chat, what day is it today? It's Wednesday, right? Wednesday, my dudes. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure we have news today. We have NFE. No, what is it? Non-farm employment. Let me just check one sec after I've drawn these nice little boxes here. Very important you get these boxes accurate. Okay. Forex Factory. Let's have a look. Forex Factory. Yeah, ADP, non-farm employment. Okay, so that's at 3:15 though, so we've got a long time for that news to come into effect. So wow, we're chilling here. We're chilling, chat. Look at the way we reacted off this level as well. Closed no top wick at the top of the level. Then you decided to push back down. You're now sort of rejecting. You got 1 minute here to the hourly close. Let's see what we can do. You don't trade pre-London? I do. Today was very difficult because of this 4 hour no top wick. The moment I saw this, I was like, right, fuck that, we're gone. We're out of here for a sec. Because yeah, that was very, very difficult. What's the plan? What's good with me? You missed the analysis. Go back about 2 or 3 minutes into the stream and you'll watch the, you can see the full analysis there. That's cracked a cold one. Chat, these beverages, different gravy. Yeah, 0 calorie lemon water. It's literally water and lemon, I think. That's the lead. Ingredients: carbonated water, lemon. That's it, bro. That's sick. Delicioso. But now, 1 hour just flipped it. Sounds fire actually. Yeah, it's actually really good. Super natural as well, which is good. Chat, I'm gonna open my broker really quickly. you have a nice little Sky Dweller play forming here, which is not too bad, and realistically it should take you up towards the top of the range, but just a little bit concerned with these levels here to the left. Seconds to the 1 hour close. How many languages do you actually know? Fucking not really any, to be honest. Oh, chat. The one time it gives us a bottom wicket, I don't think we can take this, to be honest. Unfortunate. No aspartame, no Tory. Nah, none of that, bro. Literally, that's what I've noticed as well in Cyprus. All of the food is literally just like whole ingredients. Like I bought some burgers from the shop the other day, and normally when you buy burgers in the UK, it says like beef, then like whatever seasonings, and then like sodium metabisulfate, loads of fucking like ingredients and additives and preservatives. Bro, it literally just said beef. I was like, what the fuck? It was sick. Yeah, same with this shit. Like, I don't think there's any additives. It just says water, lemon, and then it does say natural flavors. So I don't know what that means, but it would have to say if it had like aspartame and shit. So, yeah, take it. Chat, this one I was flipping here. These buys are not too bad, to be honest. It's a decent Sky Dweller play. How much room do you have up here? You have like... Yeah, chat. I need a closure above this level. I'm going to stay patient. Did you trade yet? Nothing yet. Nothing yet, my friend. Louis, what's good? Good morning. Zulu as well. Good morning. How's everyone doing, chat? Welcome into the stream. I see you all funneling in. Drop a like as well if you haven't already. You guys are showing up early as well. We've been catching a lot of early positions, so... It's important that, it's important you show up early to the streams. Otherwise, like yesterday, Rent-A-Rocks, poor Rent-A-Rocks, bro. This guy messaged me like, what, is stream over? I was waiting for it to start and you've already taken a trade. I was like, yeah, man. But yeah, look, I'm loving the pre-London, to be honest. Absolutely loving it. It's really nice to trade, chat. This time zone is so elite. Such an elite time zone right now. But now, what we're going to do here, chat, is I'm going to probably wait for like a 15-minute closure above this level, maybe a 30-minute closure above this level. Once we get that, chat, look at the structure we've been printing. We've been printing, again, higher highs, higher lows, and just made a high, made another low. Once you break this high, there's nowhere else you should go realistically other than up towards 29.25. So that's what I'm going to take a look at. That's what we'll be waiting for right now, waiting patiently. It did come in and tap to the top of the range. I didn't realize the 30-minute as well closed no top wick. So that's another reason why I wouldn't have taken the trade. So don't have any FOMO here, the fact that this continued. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. I was looking at the 4-hour closure earlier and that no top wick was tough. Everything aligned, daily flip, breakout on the 4-hour. I know, bro, yeah. I know, on the 4-hour it looks so good. Little breakout above this level here. I was looking at it too, yeah. Breakout above, daily was flipping. And it was like, yeah, nah, no top wick, safe. But, you know how it goes, right, chat? You know how it goes. There's a lot of opportunity for us to get something later. There's a lot of steps to be made today. There's a lot of opportunities to be given. So I do realistically think that there's high likelihood we grab something here within this session. So stick around, stay locked in. If you guys have any questions, that's what I'm here for, right? That's realistically what we're here for. So yeah, make sure you do it. Make sure you ask anything you have. PA seems nice earlier on. I'm telling you, yeah, pre-London price action is fucking juicy normally. Today it was interesting. I looked, nothing here, no wicks on anything, and then the top wick. So it was a little bit difficult today, but normally, yeah, it's not too bad. Oh wait, chat is back. Yes, lovely stuff. If you haven't already, there's already 50 of you in here, which I much appreciate. Let's try to get to 30 likes right now. If we can do that, that'd be great. Chat, by the way, did any of you guys watch the video I dropped yesterday on YouTube? If you did, let me know how you found it. I think it was a banger personally. I got a lot of good feedback on it. I knew exactly how it would play out as well. I knew exactly how it would play out. It didn't bang the views that, you know, other videos have. But that wasn't the point of the video. It was not, the point of it was not to bang views. It was to actually give you some value. And yeah, hopefully there was a shitload of value in there. I'm pretty sure there was. Let's double accounts this year. It's very possible, my friend. I caught you today, motherfucker. Stream starts early now. Yeah, you got me. Sniper analogy was fire. It was. I was super happy to come up with that. Obviously not the sniper analogy itself, but the expansion of it was off my own dome. Have you ever trailed your stop loss just to see how much profits you can secure even though your stop loss became BE, then secure more profits? No, I never really have trailed stops. I was thinking about it, but a lot of the time gold would wick us out, so it's difficult. But chat, look at the reaction here off the top of this level. The 5-minute closed bearish, or not closed bearish, but just flip bearish momentarily. Now we're starting to push back down. We could see a mirror of this move here. But obviously sells for me right now, especially with the way the 1 hour closed. It's not the smartest move. On the hill in the morning, setting up the shot. Exactly, man. Sniper school. The video, don't go watch it yet. I'm gonna put it right here. And go watch it in a bit because it's a banger. Make sure you don't miss it. Okay, chat, we rebroke the high. Remember right now as well, one thing to consider, this is the daily high right here. So when you see this wick to the left, once this wick gets broken, you're gonna continue up through here because that's the daily high rebreaking. And that's just another continuation sign. So if we can just grab like a nice little 15-minute closure above or something like that, that's most likely going to be our entry there, chat. Yeah, if a 15 closes above, you're good to go. Until at least here. Let's make this our BE point if we're going to get a position. Rip it through though, chat. Again, structure looks great, to be honest. The market structure looks really, really nice. Recently, chat, if you've been looking at market structure, it's been a killer. Like, the trades that we've been taking have just been following the exact market structure that we've been looking at. And once you get that forming and once you see it happening, your confidence in the trade just goes skyrocketing. Because you see, let's say you're in buys, right? What I want you to be thinking about when you're in buys is purely market structure. Now you can forget about, you know, breakouts, stakeouts, all that type of thing. If you get in a position, obviously wait for the setup to form for a breakout, whatever it is. Once you're in that position, the way that I'm managing trades, when I'm in the position, after I've entered, the way I'm managing trades, it's purely, I'll either drop down to the 5 or 30 or 15, and I'll be looking at price action. So I'll be seeing, okay, are we making new highs? You know, let's say that we're in buys right now. You look at the 15 and you see, okay, we pushed up, we made a low, but it's a higher low, and now we made a higher high. So for me, if we were in buys right here, I'd be super confident in the position. And I'd be managing based off of that. And then obviously, if we did come down and start to break some lows here, that's when we'd be getting a little bit less confident. But for right now, yeah, you'd be okay. And that's essentially the easy way to manage. Just look at market structure. It's going to tell you everything, especially once you're in that trade. After a 4-hour no top wick, how do you decide to get in a position in the next 4 hour? I don't know if it's a clear question. No, I hear it. Obviously, like, obviously, with the 4-hour no top wick, it's very difficult. But when the next 4 hour, when it does something like this, grabs a shitload of liquidity and then pushes back through, for me, that's good enough. And then obviously the 1 hour now made a wick here and here. So now, once you've made a wick on the next candle, now you've got a little bit more range to fill, if that makes sense. Do you trade NY? Yeah, I trade NY in the private group. So I have a private group on Discord. We jump in a Discord call every day and trade New York session. And I trade it on stream in there, yeah. If you want access to that, you just go to this link right here. How about the wicks on the bottom of the 1 hour? Yes, so exactly. The fact that we grab liquidity here as well. Like you see, we have a wick here. We also have a, 2 wicks on these previous 1 hour candles. So even though this closed no top wick on the previous 4 hour, the fact we're grabbing liquidity here so aggressively on these 1 hours means to me that I'm pretty certain we can continue up. Now, again, it just depends on price action, depends on where we're grabbing liquidity. So another example here is the fact now, this 5-minute grab liquidity from up here, that might mean, to be honest, if you flip and close below, you can continue back down. So it just depends on where we're grabbing liquidity and how you're respecting specific levels, if that makes sense. Price above your 29.19, why don't you buy there? You have to wait for a closure above there, my friend. I need a closure. It can't just be like if it goes above there. You have to wait for it to close there, yeah. So, yeah, price passed above your 2019, why didn't you buy there? Now, the reason is closures are your confirmation. So price can wick above here at any point. You see it made a wick above the level. There's no confirmation until you have essentially that closure. So what that means is, it's like on a game show, you know, when they ask you to lock in your answer, the same shit. Until you actually get a closure above that level, the answer's not locked in. And for any given time, this could be a liquidity grab and price could just rip straight back through down here. So once you have that closure, it's obviously a different story, but yeah, we need to wait for the closures. It's massively important. Chat, by the way, wait, let me ask this question first. What minute do you draw your support and resistance levels? It's a good question. So whatever time frame you want to take the trade on is the level that you need to draw your resistance levels on. So if you want to take a 1 hour trade, for example, if we're looking for a 1 hour closure, we can take a look at the 1 hour levels, and you can see right now that there's nothing above this level here at 29.19 over here. But if you wanted to take a trade on a 30-minute, if you drop down to the 30-minute, you might see over here that there's a level to the left. So what you need to do is, if you want to take a 30-minute trade, for example, if it was coming up to the 30-minute closure, you just have to move your levels up to adjust for that 30-minute time frame. Same thing happens with like the 15. If we drop down to the 15, you can see now that there's even different levels. If we look to the left as well, now you're going to have levels up here. So we have to move our level up towards there on the 15. So the easy way to answer that question is, whatever time frame you want to take the trade on is where you need to do your levels. Now, the higher the time frame, the more confirmation and the stronger the confirmations are. So a 1 hour level is going to be way stronger than a 15 or a 5-minute level. But if you can learn to negotiate and work around all those time frames, then you can take pretty much trades on any time frame. Closure meanings? Yeah, so a closure means once the candle ends and closes. So every 15 minutes, you're going to see in 2 minutes and 34 seconds right here, you're going to have a closure on the 15-minute time frame. And once that candle closes and a new one opens, that's your closure. I'm going to sneeze, chat. Oh, it was a fake one. It was a fake sneeze right there. It actually caught me out. Chat, we might be getting a nice little 15-minute closure above here. If we get closure right here at around 29.20 on this 15-minute time frame, we can look to take some buys up to come towards this 29.22 area. I don't see why we wouldn't do that. So yeah, as long as we get chat, it might rip through, but as long as we get a decent closure, we can look to take some in here. Stops would be very good as well. Remember as well, price is looking to break this daily high. So that is, again, another confluence for continuing up. Do you want a bottom wick after the closure? Yes, definitely. You need a bottom wick after the closure. That's your liquidity grab. That's your, security to say that you are not going to reflip, right? So that's the exact reason why we wait for a bottom wick. Once this candle closes, if the next one opens up with the bottom wick first, that's the liquidity grab right there. Once it flips, there's no reason why it should reflip and break the lows and continue down, because it's already grabbed an adequate amount of liquidity. But if price was to not do that and pop up first, at any point, you could essentially just have a clear liquidity grab, you get in buys, and then price reflips down and it will never come back. So that's essentially why we have to wait. What's good, Julian? How you doing, man? I'm chilling. Why don't you stream with the Cypress view in the background? I don't know if I could do that. I could put it in my living room, I guess, but it's kind of like, I don't know. I like my office here, and then otherwise it's going to be that way. My window, my view is that way, but then I would have to face this way. My door and my wardrobe, not wardrobe, like cupboard shit is here. I don't know, man. Yeah, I could do, to be fair. Maybe we can figure it out. We close my no top wick. Let's see. Oh shit, yeah, chat. I forgot about that. 15-minute close. Did I have a top wick? Very minor one. That might not be bad here though. How big is this top wick? 4 pips. It's not bad. That's enough. Tops are a little bit large. We could look for a wick entry if we tap into this level. If we can tap into 29.19, a wick entry is not bad. The only concern is that the 1 hour close we're expecting, right? I think it stops it. Yeah, I can take a buy right now. It's this 15-minute candle flips here. Got buys here. Expecting this to push straight through, to be honest. Okay, stops are going to be the current candles. There's going to be very tight stops. Stops here, chat. I want to see a push straight up, to be honest. I'm going to be targeting at least 22 here as the break-even level. Okay. TP is going to be towards the top of the range, up towards 29.25. That's a big reaction there, chat. Holy shit, that's a lot of volume. Big flip there. We saw about 6 pips. No, I saw about 4 pips actually. By the way, my entry's here, not there. You came very close to stops, and now you re-flipped it, chat. If we re-break the highs, I'm gonna have to be break-even on this one. So much volume into the markets here. I'm gonna re-break this high right now. Crazy amount of volume. 1 minute closed above. Bottom wick first as well. Once you re-break these highs, chat, you should be good to go. Maybe not. Can we see a 1 minute flip and break the high? One minute did flip here. No real reason for this to struggle right now. I'm truly honest. There's no reason for this to struggle here. My entry's... Yeah, we're about break even right now. So my entry's about here actually. I'm going to close this out right now at about 3 pips profit. I don't like the way it's reacting here. I really do not like the struggle. I'm going to wait for another closure. So I just closed out there, basically break even, but actually about 2-3 pips. But yeah, I'm not going to call it a win. We'll call it a break even. I don't like that reaction at all. That should have flipped. That should have gone straight through. So I closed out there. It should have ripped straight through. I really don't know why it didn't, to be honest. Could be a fake out. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, that was an interesting trade, chat. There shouldn't really have been a reason why I didn't fly through. Maybe because of chat, maybe. Chat, what we're going to do though, wait, let me add this to the thing. That was great management, yeah, like definitely brilliant management. I'm happy with the way we managed that. I took 2 pips, so how do you want me to how do you want me to write this down? Let's call it a B, why not? 30 closure might give us some opportunity, yeah. It rebroke 3 times and then failed to go. So for me, I don't really like that at all, to be honest. Yeah, look at this. See, look, but there's also no reason for it to do this. There's really no reason for it to do that. So I think, to be honest, it will push through. It's just a case of why it didn't do it right now. But look, chat, we're going to wait for the 30-minute closure here in about 8 minutes' time. If it goes, then it goes. Look, chat, I have to manage like that, to be honest. What's good, everyone? How are we doing? A lot of new people are just joining up. Chat, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like on the stream. That was a good first trade in terms of our management here. Good psychology, well-managed position. I slipped 1.5 pips. I took a 1.1 stop loss. Terrible day, cries. Hey, what's good, Axel? Trust me, 1.1. Came so close to stops on that trade as well, by the way. At the 1 minute, after it rebroke, came down. We came about 2.5 pips from stops, and then it reflipped back up. It sounded like in a hole. I know, bro. I know. I'm getting it fixed today, hopefully. I'm gonna buy some of those sound acoustic panels things, and yeah, try and fix it because it's an office with no furniture, right? Which basically means that it's just an echo chamber. Chat, look at this fucking management right there. Oh shit! Look at this management. Can't complain about that at all. That's why you need to learn to read price action. That was based off the 1 minute. The management there was based off the 1 minute. Now, I'm not saying it's not going to continue to run, but I wouldn't want to be in drawdown right now. You'd be coming close to stops. Saw BE as an exit opportunity after almost hitting stops. Yeah, bro, 100%, Ben. It is definitely an exit opportunity. That was definitely an exit opportunity. It was so weird to me how we like flipped, popped up, and then instantly ripped back down and then reflipped. After we did that initial reflip, the first reflip there, and came back down towards stops, I was certain we were gonna hit stops. There was no reason for it to do that without coming like ripping back down, but it did it. Rebroke the highs. I think I saw about 4 pips maximum. So I think I got slipped a little bit. But there you go, chat. That is what you call perfect trade management. Like we could not have managed that trade any better. Literally, we could not have managed it any better. 1 minute no bottom wick. But that would have been stop loss hit right there, by the way. Our stop loss was 29.20. So you know. Are we going to get a fake out here, chat? It's very possible we get a fake out now. If we don't and we get like a decent closure on the 15, then that'll also be a 30-minute like good closure above. Let's just actually move this up a little bit for the 30-minute level here. Now I need to see a closure above, I believe it's 29.19. Yeah. We should tap into 22 here. I don't see why we wouldn't. There's a level here as well. Let's put it here. 29.20.2. I need to see a closure above now. Congratulate yourself on that management though. Congratulate yourselves. Very, very good management there. And also, I think genuinely, by the way, there's a lot of pip and dippers right now. If you are going to pip and dip, make sure you leave a like before you do it. But I genuinely think that's what differentiates us from other traders is the fact that we can, adaptively manage trades during the position. I see a lot of traders, they get in an entry, whatever it is, and then they're just like, okay, it's either stops or TP, which is fine. But there, the setup formed, something shifted in price action. We saw a shift, we saw a hesitancy to break the high, and we understood that that was probably an indication of rejection. So we decided to close out. Very simple, very easy, but that's what just saved us a lot of money right there. Yeah, look, big rejection. So the 30-minute now is, by the looks of it, I mean, we've got 3 minutes here to the closure, but it looks like we're going to close below. Unless it's just making another low, higher low here, which is possible, right? A higher low is possible right now. Yeah, see, look, this is nice though. If we do close back above here, confidence for the buyers goes up a little bit higher. As long as we close above this 29.20.5 or wherever it is, 29.20.2. That's where we get our levels, chat. That's where the buyers are. You got 3 minutes here. Stay patient, stay focused, stay locked in, all that good stuff. Let's try and get to 50 likes on today's stream. Yeah, it's very rare that I get this, but I got a oh no, okay. On one account I got 2 pips. On the other account I got literally an exact break even. I feel like it's really rare that happens, like where there's no number here on the left. Literally $0. It's always really weird when I see that. Most of the time it's like $100 or something slippage, but let's see. Did I get slipped on another account? Wait, let's see. Don't you choose the nearest support and resistance? Why did you mark that resistance? Wait, do you mean the nearest or newest? Yeah, this one, I mean, I choose the level, the combined level, right? I choose whichever's the best level, not just the newest one or the nearest one or whatever. This area, I'm looking at this area. There's lots of levels here. On the 30-minute, it's just this one, and this one. It's whichever is realistically, I use my, not intuition, but I use my common sense and try and figure out which is the best area and which is the cleanest area where there's the least rejections. So basically, the way you want to decide whether your support and resistance levels are accurate or not is, let's say we have a level here which is rejecting off of this area here and here, and then you come to the left and it's also rejecting here. After you close above these levels, what happens? Well, in this case, you close above here, it continues all the way up to the range. In this case, you continue up to at least like 23, so that's the next level here, this blue line, which means that we have clean traffic every time you close above the range. In this case as well, right here, you closed above. And yeah, so realistically, you want to see clean traffic after you close outside the range, and that's what gives me the best indication that I have decent levels. 1 minute chat to the 30-minute closure here. Let's project a little bit. I need a clearer indication of the bias now. Let's see, 30 seconds. Are we going to close above or below? If we close below, chat, unfortunately there's no position for me because it's not going to be bearish, but it's also not going to be bullish above, right? So I can't take like, you know, sells here just because we closed back below on the 15. Because at the end of the day, this could still be just a higher low being made, as we just said. Yeah, but it looks like we are going to close below here. Which is not a problem, to be fair. We'll just stay patient right now. Yeah, chat, look. So you're now respecting all of these levels. Top first as well. You're respecting this area, respecting this area. So yeah, nothing I can really do here, chat. Just have to be patient. You try jet ski? Not yet, not yet. I'm gonna be trying that. Like, I'm gonna buy one to be honest soon, but not soon. At one point, I'll buy one, but it hasn't really been that warm to go into. I haven't even been to the sea yet, chat. Like, that's crazy. I've been to the pool at my gym, which is fucking beautiful. I don't know if you guys saw it, but like, it's fucking sick, chat, to be honest. But no, I haven't been on a jet ski yet. I'm probably gonna be doing quad bikes this weekend with my boys. Jet skis insane. Never drove on one. On sea. Oh, I've been on jet skis loads of times. I've been on jet skis, but I haven't done one here yet. But yeah, been on jet skis fuckloads of times. I have a very funny story about that actually. Can I tell it? Let me try and find this photo. So I was on a yacht with one of my friends in school. Because I went to school with loads of fucking rich people. Not that I was rich, but a load of people at my school were. They had jet skis, right? And jet skis on the back of the yacht. And bro, it was so funny. So yeah, this yacht had jet skis on the back of it. And I took out my friend's little brother. So I was driving it, the little brother was on the back. We went on like, I got basically the unrestricted key so that it was essentially full speed. We were going about 70 miles an hour on this jet ski. Hit a wave. This guy comes flying off, the little brother comes flying off, literally goes about 10 meters into the distance, starts crying, and take him back to his parents, and I got back on board the boat, and it was his parents' boat, and they looked at me like, you prick. They were not happy. I'll show you guys. If I still have it. Oh yeah. I think this was it. Fuck's sake. I lost it, chat. This, honestly, bro, that's why I think I have such a motivation for money, is because I've been on stuff like that when I was younger. And it makes you realize like what there is to buy when you have money. Nice boys, wake surfing. I'd be shit at wake surfing, bro. I'd be so bad at it. Look at the liquidity of this 30 minutes grabbing though here, chat. Yeah, see, look. So we're on this boat. There's like jet skis out there and shit. But yeah, see, that was one of the best fucking summers I had in a long time. But I'm definitely gonna do. I think this weekend we're gonna go on quad bikes. I'm gonna try and rent them actually, and then go up into the mountains on quads, which is gonna be sick, fucking incredible. After that, I don't know, but jet skis is gonna be coming in the summer for sure. I kind of want to buy one, but they're like 10k. I think they're like at least 10k for a decent one. How much is a jet ski? Do you guys know? It's for a used old one? Fuck. Vlog coming? Yeah, there's a vlog coming out this maybe next week. I've got a day in the life vlog. I'm gonna vlog this weekend with my boys. I think it's gonna be sick. And then yeah. Okay, chat, look at this 30-minute pushing up. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. If you don't rip through now, chat, I don't even know what to say. After flipping here, if you don't push through, holy fuck. Also, the daily rebroke its high on that push, which was a weird sign for me. Like, once you rebroke this daily high, there was no reason for it to not continue through. This was just faking out buyers like us, right? But we're obviously too smart for the market. The market decided to fake out all the buyers from this closure above, grab more liquidity, and now it's going to push through. We were too smart. We realized what was happening. We exited our position here, and now we're going to wait for another one to continue up. So once you understand the market in that detail and in that sort of depth, you can sort of smell these fake outs a mile away. How's the week been so far though? You in profit? You in a loss? I think we're up like quite a decent amount to be fair. We're killing it this week. Obviously we took, I don't think I took a trade on Monday, or did I? No, I took a break-even trade on Monday, right? And then I took a break-even and then a profitable trade as well, like a positive trade. Plus 10 or something. Yeah, and then yesterday we took that 38 pips. So we're up about 48 pips so far this week. Can't complain, chat. Can't complain at all. Pushing up, chat. Look at this 5 minute as well. The 15 just flipped as well. The 30 flipped, obviously. It might be a trade here, chat, that we need. We might be waiting for this hourly candle to close. And if it closes above, yeah, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be magnificent. Even to be fair, this next 15 could be good, depending on the closure. We might get a 15-minute sky dweller. Stocks are a little bit... Oh, no, they're not bad at all, actually, now. Lock it in. There's a lot of potential. How many funded accounts you got? One. I trade live mostly, but the other day I passed an ACG just for a bit of fun. I didn't realize as well that you have to get 2% before you can get a payout. But yeah, I'm going to try and run that one up as well. I really like the way you move. Yeah, nah, so I don't really use that many fundeds, but if you do want to get a funded chat, whilst I have you here, code SG at ACG is going to get you 20% off those funded accounts. Actually, no, they have a deal right now, I think. If you type in on demand, because they just added on demand payouts, you code on demand, I think, gets you 25% off, so you can save a little bit more money. On-demand payout has strict rules. Right, I think they gave me an on-demand account by accident. Let me check, because it says get 2% before I can get a payout, but then I get on-demand payouts from shit. But I didn't know I had that, to be honest. What's the consistency rule as well? I don't know what that is. It says 50. Yeah, this is my terminal right now for this ACG account, right? So it's a live account. Alpha 1, 100K. And then it's up about 1% right now. We took a $94 loss, which is 0.09%. Yeah, one trade cannot exceed 40% of the overall profit, which is fucking crazy. I think that's true. That's not that much of an issue for me, to be honest. We don't really get like one crazy trade and that's it. Like we'd most likely just stack it up. See like 500, 500. That's probably what I do. I don't know, man. Chat, look at this though. Wait, where does it say it? Average RR 5-1. Average risk to reward is 5.39. These little risk to reward monsters can come get me, man. Honestly, I made that TikTok the other day about trading negative risk to reward, and it went crazy. It got so many comments. Now we're right here. Average risk to reward 5.39. Gosh. What lot size to use on it? Bro, I think also, Louis, it's super restricted in terms of leverage. So like the maximum I can pop is a 3 lot on it. I've been popping like 2 lots on it, I think. I don't know. Yeah, 3 lots is about right. Yeah, we have a 15-minute closure here in about 5 minutes time. So let's see what happens there. Let's see. If we can close back above here, chat. So if you can see something like this happen where we close back above the level here on the 15 minutes, something either above here or like this, we could take something to continue up like that. Realistically though, I think the hourly close might be the best bet for us. Especially look at the current hourly, it doesn't look ideal. Looks like we could even close bearish on it, but I doubt it's going to happen. I mean, we'll see. Especially with the 15 looking the way it is. The 15 looks purely like a liquidity grab. I keep forgetting how early it is. Like, it's currently nearly 11 o'clock in Cyprus. In the UK, it's still only 8:40. It feels super weird. The other day, yesterday, I had a meeting set and I was like, why the fuck is someone setting a meeting so late? And it was literally only like 9 o'clock in the UK, but it was like 11 o'clock in Cyprus at night. It feels like the day's already done way before. Which is good though, because you get early trades and you get done for the day early. I don't know, it feels nice. It also, I know it's not true, but it feels like I'm awake before everyone else, or like I've got more time than everyone else. Which again, like, is obviously bullshit, but just because you're up before the rest of Europe, it feels quite cool. All right, cool. Pushing back up. So if we can respect this low here now, again, just plot the structure out. That's one of the most important things. Plot the structure out, right? So you made a high, you made a low, you made a higher high. Now making a higher low. If you can come back up and close above here, chat, we are good to go. It's all stations for liftoff. Especially with look at the daily, it looks so primed. If you were looking at this on an hourly candle, you'd be thinking, holy shit, this is gonna absolutely rip. Just because it's a daily candle doesn't mean it behaves any differently to the 15-minute or the 30-minute or the 1 hour, right? This has grabbed a shitload of liquidity and it looks like it's ready to push. It's flipped here. If you were seeing this on a 15-minute candle, you'd be looking to take buys. Just because, like I said, it's a daily candle, it's just going to take longer to play out, but the same principles apply. The same liquidity principles, the same entry models, they still apply. So this is how you can trade the same strategy on a sort of swing basis if you wanted to. Obviously, for me, I'm more of a scalper, but if you did want to swing trade the strategy, you could be on the 4 hour, taking the same principles, on the daily, whatever, man. It still works. 15-minute closure here in about a minute's time, chat. Close above. But it does seem like it's struggling, chat. When you see something like this happen as well, when we have something like this happen where it's retesting a level over and over again, you can see it's trying so hard to push through this level here. And like it did here as well at the daily high, it tried so hard to push through this level. The more that it tries to push through here, the weaker the level becomes. So the higher the probability that we actually are going to push through the level. So for me, it's a very strong indication, especially after you have a liquidity grab here. It's a very strong indication that you are going to push through because you're trying over and over again after grabbing a shitload of liquidity. So yeah, as I say, the stronger the level, or the more times the level's tested, the weaker it gets, and the stronger the probability that we push through. That guy's asleep or what? I just got me and Louis in here right now. There's 70 of you in here right now. Me and Louis just running it up by ourselves. The 15-minute did close below, but it closed doji. Been watching this PA doing jokes. Yeah, it's interesting, bro. You still streaming NY? I stream New York in the Discord now, yeah, but I stream it in the Discord with a private group. What's good, Jed? Good morning, man. Renter Ox, big sleep. I hear it, I hear it. Triz, what's good? Batman. Look at that. That was a fucking quick push up there. See what I'm saying, chat? It's testing the level over and over. So it has to make a decision here. This is what's known as a decision point, right? We are essentially testing this level over and over and over. You broke through it and failed. Now you're testing it again. 15-minute closed doji, retested the level. So now, this is the decision area because price needs to choose whether it's going to push through and break up after testing it so many times, or is it going to make the decision to actually continue back down here, grab some more liquidity, consolidate for a little bit. So this right here, this zone that I've marked, is called a decision zone, and you can use these to your advantage quite easily by just saying to yourself, okay, look, we're going to wait until it makes the decision, see if you close above or below, and once you do that, it's made its decision, so the likelihood that it continues in that direction, whichever way it is going to be a lot higher. And I use that in my trading, and that's something that's made me a lot of money throughout the past year or so. Where's the stop loss be? It depends what the setup is. At the minute, there's no setup, so I can't choose my stop loss. If it was buys, stop loss is going to be like below this candle or this candle here. Maybe even below like this low, yeah, this low here. Let's hope it gets back up. Like, yeah, we'll see. I'd like a setup, but minus 20 at the minute. Oof. I think you should be okay. In that case, Jay, I hope for you that it goes up. Oh. We're going to stream an hour and a half. Really. A lot of stuff to do today as well. A lot of stuff to do today. I have to go to my accountant. I have to go to the post office. To buy some sound insulation shit. Cool. Alright, chat, 11 minutes into that hourly close. That's going to be your decision maker here. Whichever one is the, the hourly close, whichever it decides to do, that's going to be what we get here. So realistically, there's no choice for me now other than to wait. It looks to me as if we're very much struggling, but the structure is still bullish. So it's going to be difficult to take sells until we're bearish here. Only way I'm going to take sells is if the hourly close is bearish, but until then, I'm still very bullish on the day. Oh, big flip. Look, it's testing it again, chat. It's trying so hard over and over and over. 5-minute closure here in about 50 seconds. I think once you get a closure back above here, that's gonna be you gone. Alright, cool. Cool. This 1 minute is crazy. Look at the range it's creating on the 1 minute. It's struggling so much. I'm very glad we exited, chat. Firstly, stop loss would have been hit. Secondly, just this consolidation is not ideal. You don't really want to be in a position during this. 5 closed bullish. Oh, big pop up here, chat. There you go. That's gone. I think you might be gone here. Let's see what this hourly does. Because again, the 5 minutes got no bottom wick, so it could still flip back down right now. But nah, it's coming up to re-break the highs here as well. High, low, high. Yeah, 100%. The structure's still there, right? The structure is still there. It's just this consolidation that was a bit of a worry. On the hourly, though, these sort of level, yeah, I guess 22 does still exist. 23 tap is still a thing here. Like, we're still gonna have about 30 pips of room if we close where we are right now. I have a strong feeling, chat, we're gonna just rip straight through here. In the last 10 minutes of this candle, you're gonna see it go. What are stops currently if we wanted to take this? 36, not bad. Not bad, chat. 30 re-breaking its own high. I think you're gonna see a pop. I think you're gonna see a pop here. Maybe not, chat. Maybe it was a liquidity grab after all. Mirror on the wall. Was it a liquidity grab after all? Chat, you'll notice as well, plant in a bag has been replaced by a random shit class table. So that's good. And then also, new addition to the room, chat. Are you ready? Oh. Bro. Fucking top tier decorator me. W prayer mat. It's not a prayer mat. Shit, it does look like a prayer mat as well, doesn't it? Nah, it's a nice little desert vibe carpet. I don't know, we're going for Mexico vibes in the apartment, I guess. Need some trend lines neon on that back wall. Yeah, I need to order that. Ramadan Mubarak. Fuck's sake. Yeah, true. Neon sign, custom, Cyprus. Got song. Just gonna come from China, isn't it? How much is it gonna cost me, chat? Oh, chat, should we spec it out? Don't too late to finish trades yet, or do you just do one and close? We took one trade. No. We don't just do one and close. We took one trade. We got a break even, so we're looking and waiting for this next hourly closure here in about 6 minutes. Yeah, what should I get here? Let's see. What do I want? I want what color? Red? Nah. What color do you think we should go for? Maybe red. Purple? Nah. Black, red, and gold? I don't think there's any gold, bro. Yellow? I missed a valid trade in the morning. It's all good, bro. It happens, right? It happens. There'll be 100 more setups. Oh, chat, should I just get the TRLS logo? Blue and beige? The fuck are you guys picking? It's gonna be a neon sign. And it's against the beige wall as well. It can't be beige. Maybe though. I think black acrylic with a yellow or a warm white. And then we'll get the TRLS logo on there somehow. Where is it? Where's my logos? That's the old one. I don't even know. Fuck it. Can't find the chat. I bought mission. Chai color or brown. I'm gonna get a brown neon sign. 6 o'clock, 30-minute candle entry on that high of the previous bullish and bearish candle. But yeah, the 6 o'clock candle here closed like with no top wick, so I can't take that. So I wouldn't have been looking at anything here, to be honest. Oh, UTC +1, so this one. I don't see anything. Maybe the sales, but for me, there was really nothing. Chat, we flip back down right now. The indecision is fucking crazy. I'm hungry as well. 12.4. Here. Oh, here. That's not. That was 5:30. That was 4:30 Europe time, no? UTC +1? Or UCT +1? I don't know. Is that American? Ah, fuck it. I don't know. Yeah, that is a valid trade. Yeah, probably. I'll give you that. That's probably valid. I'm terrible with time zones. What's the main language they speak in Cyprus? Greek. Belgian? Okay, yeah. But it's not 6 a.m. That was like different time. I don't know what fucking time. I give up. We might close above here. Let's see what we do. 5-minute reflipped after making a big bottom wick here. I think there's a lot of opportunity right now. As long as we can close above the level here, that's valid. You close below this level, chat. I don't know what to say. Look at this fucking indecision. It's crazy. I don't know what price is doing right now. Like price, the 5-minute candle made a bottom wick. Firstly closed above, made a bottom wick, then flipped. So you're thinking, okay, right, it's going to at least fill the wick and continue up, and then it just goes, nah, sorry. Whoosh. Fucking horrible. If it closed above, what would you be looking for in terms of stop loss? Previous hourly candle, it probably would be. So it'd be like 29.17, 29.16. Like that, 36 pips. NY session, I reckon, potentially. It's a fucking horrible candle here. Yeah, I don't like this chat. I have to wait for the 4-hour closure? Yeah, potentially. Potentially. We can stay on for the 4-hour close, maybe. That's in an hour's time. I might need to get another fucking coffee if that's the case. Until when do you trade? There's no setup close by for my strategy. Yeah, there's no setup for me right now as well. But I mean, I'm looking all day pretty much. I don't really have a time where I jump off. I just trade when there's a setup, right? Like, so I don't really set myself like a limit. Need giveaways? Yeah, a giveaway when you get one. Nah, we'll do one soon, I think, maybe. But the more you ask for a giveaway, the less you're gonna get one. Yeah, closure. How? How did you do that, chat? Why? Fucking gold, man. Honestly, this pair is so toss. So it was right at the level. Yippee! Oh, chat. Very unfortunate. Above on a wander. This is a wander. It closed above this level here, right? But it did not close above this area here. Which I'm still worried about, right? Entered? Nah, no trade. Not yet, at least. The trade record is over what period of time? This trade record here is trades taken on stream since since February 2024. So pretty much exactly a year. But that's just for London session on stream, right? So we have obviously like other trades outside of stream that are in the Discord group. But yeah, this is just stream records. We don't take many trades. Like, I mean, what's that? 104 trades? 100. Fuck me, what's my maths? 96, 107 trades over a year on stream. So, yeah, it's not that many. But sometimes we don't get any. Sometimes we get some in New York. I don't know. It's a pretty fucking good record, though. I'm pretty impressed with it. Pretty proud of it, to be honest. 1-to-1? What, risk to reward or what do you mean? Nah, not all 1-to-1. Some are 0.5-to-1, some are 1-to-1, some are 2-to-1, some are 3-to-1. It just depends on, oh shit, Chad, there you go. It depends on the setup and it depends on where I use the areas to define my risk to reward, right? So, for example, if we got in a trade right now, I'm not looking at a specific risk to reward. I know that my stops are below here, right? And then I know that my TP is also above here. And that's all I know. So that's what sets the risk to reward. So in this case, it'd be like a 1 to 1.2. If TP was here, it would be, maybe that's a little bit lower. But if it was like here, it would be a 1 to 0.7, right? It just depends on where the structure is. That's one. This is, yeah, chat. I don't think we get anything here until the 4-hour. Mine is just fucking ripped. Holy shit, what was that? How far did that push? It's nothing major. It looked like a lot bigger than it was. 5 minute is actually closing above, which is interesting. By the looks of things, we're going to continue up through here before we even get a chance to enter, chat, to be honest. That's what I would likely say is going to happen. And it's gone. Yeah, tough. Oh, shit. It closed back below this level on my broker as well. That's ridiculous. I don't like this at all, to be honest. Took 10 pips? Yeah, W, bro. If you took 10 pips, congrats. Wait, I thought you were in a position? No, bro. You was waiting for a close before entry? Yeah, I have to wait for closures. Like, I need to wait for closures before I enter, right? Wait. Jorge, why, or George, why do you think I was in, man? Like, if I'm in, I have this, if I'm in, I'll have this on the screen, right? Chat, whenever I'm in a trade, whenever, this will be on the screen, right? Okay, so I'll never be in a trade and not tell you guys. Make green and green area like that. Oh, I was just explaining earlier about where my stops were if I was gonna get a trade, or no, I was explaining the risk to reward. But I didn't actually take a position. But I mean, you took 10 pips, so congrats. Need day in the life in Cyprus? It's coming, man. Louis, I'm interested to know. Wait, I'm interested to know why you chose to trade only gold. I know for beginners it's good to stick to one pair, but why don't you trade other pairs? I like to know the pair that I'm trading inside out, right? I like to focus on one pair. I don't like to be distracted. And for me, firstly, gold moves the best. It's the most technical pair. It's the pair that respects levels the most. Secondly, if you asked me what gold looked like when I wasn't looking at the charts right now, if I was in the other room and you asked me what gold looked like in terms of structure, I'd be able to tell you straight away. So I know exactly what it looks like. Thirdly, you know, I'm just locked in. I'm not distracted. I'm not looking at one pair and then another trade forms. And I think realistically, that's the main reason why. I don't like the other pairs too. For the strategy, gold is the best. For the bottom wicks, for the structure, for the closures above, for liquidity grabs, for all of it. For me, it makes the most sense to trade gold. But I mean, I don't think it's necessarily a terrible thing to trade multiple pairs. I think it's just what works best for my strategy. Focus on what time frame? Closure on any time frame, to be honest, but for me, the 1 hour close below, so I need a higher time frame closure right now. I need like a 15 or a 30 now, above this level. Because we're pushing above on the 5 minute, but we're respecting way too heavily. Chat, can we get to 50 likes on today's stream? It'd be much appreciated. Wait, let me turn this off. Yeah, it'd be much appreciated if we could. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna go get a drink real quick. I'll be back in a sec. Alright, back. What? Kind of speed price, waiting for the 4 hour before pushing real strong to the upside. It might need that last high time frame confirmation. Potentially, yeah, I think so. I can see that too. I'm debating right now whether to stay on stream here and wait for the 4 hour or whether to just call it right now, because we're gonna have to wait 50 minutes most likely. TRLS shirt looks cool. Hey, thank you, bro. Yeah, it's sick. So we got this, and then we got the back. I'm gonna get it made very, very shortly. I wanna ship them out, but obviously with moving and everything, it's been very difficult. It's 1 hour flip right now. 5 minute no bottom weight. The sales might not be too bad as well. But again, the market structure is still bullish, so it's very difficult to take sales here. I'm gaming a bit with the stream on the background. Yeah, that's a W, bro. That's a W. I have so much stuff to do as well. Alright, cool. Oh, chat, by the way, whilst I have you guys here as well, I just need to mention this quickly. Wait, where is it? Let me find this. So, as I put on my Instagram story yesterday, we are opening the waitlist, or I'm opening the waitlist for my one-on-one program. The waitlist is now opened, but essentially, if you do want access to it, it's going to be an incredible program. If you haven't already, make sure you do go sign up to it because... Wait, let me just... Alright, cool. Yeah, so let me send that in. So, wait, the one-on-one waitlist. So yeah, we're going to open it up on the 10th, which is next Monday. And essentially, I'm going to be taking on 5 people straight away. So 5 people maximum, pretty much. It's going to be very, very tight knit. It's going to sell out pretty much instantly. But what I want to do is essentially provide profitability guaranteed for 5 people in that waitlist. So we're going to get you funded guaranteed within 60 days. If we don't, I'll work with you for free until you do get funded. And the reason is, when I started off the start of this year, I said that I wanted to make at least 15 profitable traders by the end of Q2. And we need to make that happen. So realistically, if you are interested in becoming a profitable trader, if you are interested in getting funded or trading on a live account even, sign up to the waitlist right there, and then you'll be essentially sent the early information, and then you can make the decision whether you want to join. Obviously, nothing's going to change here. The free streams are still here. Coaching groups still exist, but yeah, if you do want to take your trading to the next level, that's where you should be. But look, we have a 15-minute close here in about 2 minutes. Also, if you have any questions about it, you can ask me on stream, right? There's no need to wait. But yeah, 15-minute closing. It looks like we're going to close bearish. Every time that we've done that in the past below the level, you have continued down. But I'm a little bit concerned with taking these sells. This is a very strong mirror, though, of this move here. See how you closed above, and then close back below, and then now you continue down? The exact mirror. I mean, we could look at some sells here, chat. My concern is like the 30 close bullish, the hourly close bullish. But let's see how this 15 wants to close. Let's see. Especially since we've been struggling so heavily on this level. How much for the one-on-one? So it's going to be a one-time payment. It's going to essentially be, when I release it, it's going to be $4,000. But for the first group of people, so for the first 5 people, it's going to be $2,000 only. One-time payment. And essentially, we'll get you on a funded account. If you get 2% on that funded account, it's paid back for itself. So it's so much value. And obviously, with the amount of time I'm putting in, I'm going to be putting in like tens and tens of hours to it. Probably, no, hundreds of hours to it, definitely. So for that price, it's crazy value. 15-minute closing here, chat. 5-minute rejected though. Oh, 5-minute flip last minute. I don't like the fact the 5 closed bullish. If 5 didn't close bullish, we might have looked for some sells, but that tells me that we're starting to reject here, which I don't like. What was your breakfast for today? I haven't eaten breakfast. Coffee and something else. European breakfast. That's it, man. I like to be fasted when I trade, chat. I think it's really important. I think it's really good for your mentality. Balkan breakfast is the best. Yeah, it's actually elite. It's actually elite. We are making a top week here though, chat. Top week for the 15-minute candle, but it could be a flip on a 30. Protein powder? Protein powder's alright. I don't like to eat it in the morning. It makes my stomach feel weird, I don't know. There's the flip, chat. 3 pips. Why am I so zoomed in on this chart? Well, there you go, chat. There's your sells, but again, you saw about 6 pips. We probably still wouldn't be break even here, and it could do anything now. I'd rather wait, chat. Struggling to get these early starts. Yeah, true. I mean, look, if I realize if I want to do the early starts, I need to just stay on for a little bit longer. So I'll stay on till. In fact, fuck it. We'll stay on till the 4-hour close today. Why not, chat? That was the Skydweller sells. Yeah, it was, but I don't like the sells here. 30 looks crazy for sells, but the structure's still bullish. I really struggle to sell into a bullish trend, chat. I don't like it much. You do have a decent mirror here to the left, but to be fair, at any point this 15-minute could reject here and close. See, chat. I mean, you would have got your 12 pips, but don't do it for me. Nah, I need to do it anyway. And if I'm gonna do it for anyone, it's gonna be for you, Matt. So. Don't tell me I'm not sweet. Oh, this tastes fucking incredible. Chat, espresso machine. Got these nice little espresso pods. They are. This one tastes like hazelnut. Wait, what do they do in wine tasting? Yes, it's got notes of oak, hazelnuts, coffee, and coffee. Very delicious. I don't know, bro, but it tastes good. Pushing back down here, chat. Pushing back down. The sales might have been alright. Again, there was no entry for me, so I can't take anything. And there's no FOMO either way. It's 2 times hazelnut hot chocolates. 12 quid violated. That is extortion, to be fair. But I've got something even worse. Like I said yesterday at my gym, I got me and my girl a protein shake. Comes in this little it was good to be fair. Mine had banana, vanilla protein powder, and something else. Then hers had berries, strawberry protein powder, and something else. Coconut milk. Bro, it was 15 euros for the 2 of them. Fucking protein shake, 15 euros for the 2 of them. Stupid money. But then again, fuck it. I was about to call it was worth it. There. 2 gulps max. That's a great measuring Great measuring fucking a unit of measurement. How many gulps are in that? In the dripping up the prices? Maybe, bro. Maybe. Some woman literally fucking came up to me the other day, like, asked me what I did for a living and shit. How the fuck do I explain that? How do I explain what I do? So, like, it was an elderly woman as well. I got out MT5 and I went, who doesn't measure in gulps? That's true. True. Save money. Yeah, what do you do for a living? I just make bread. If I say that, she's gonna think I'm a drug dealer. Thing is, right, with the car that I drive as well now, I can't be skeptical, like I can't be cagey about what I do because then that looks even worse. How to escape the matrix? I just go up to people in the gym and just walk up to them and be like, "Wake up." Retired? Retired? Be hilarious. It's good to be forming a former high. Yeah, that's the thing, right? Like, this is very difficult to do anything right now. Structure's still bullish, right? Until it breaks this low right here. Until it breaks this low right here, you're still bullish. High low, yeah, that's fine, bro. I knew what you meant. We have 9 minutes as well, chat, till a 30-minute closure. It's going to be very interesting how the 30 closes. If it manages to close back above, chat, I don't even know what to say. If it closes back above here, we're going to be in there. Otherwise, I think if it closes bearish now, it's probably gone too far for us. Firstly, stops are going to be very big. Secondly, like, it was okay taking sells here because even if it was just a higher low, you still could have taken advantage. But if you take it now, you're already at where the low is, so you don't have much of an advantage point. It makes it very, very difficult. The other day, we went from 60 viewers to 100 viewers when we were in drawdown. People really just want to see a trade, eh? They just want to see this on the screen. And they want to see drawdown, that's it. I feel like I get so many viewers when we have a trade on, especially if we're in a long trade. Walk up to a random person in the gym, look at them with glazed over eyes, dead serious, and say, "Wake up, you're almost out of time." Then continue to work out like an NPC. Crazy. Alright, wait, give me 1 sec, I'll be back in a second. Alright, we're back. Whoa! I want to try and do the... Yeah, never mind. There's the rug there. Did you all notice there was no echo when you got close to the mic? Wait, really? Should I have it here then? Is that better? Now it's gonna focus on the fucking mic. Maybe I should just have it right here and just hold it. Look closer. Hello, chat. All right. Sound is better? Okay, that's good to know. That's good to know. Hit the shirt like the pod? Yeah, I could do that one actually. I don't know if I can connect that directly to a stream though. Maybe I could. How come the trade flipped to sells? There's a strong rejection area here, right? There's a strong rejection area. We pushed off this level and now you're starting to continue down. Maybe, fuck me, the 15 obviously was the play. Holy shit. Yeah, chat. Not for me though. Especially with the way the 5 closed. It just wasn't really clean for me. Did the daily reflip? Oh shit, yeah, it did. Okay, interesting. I think we're probably waiting for either the 4 hour or we might even be waiting for news later on. You're pushing down below this low as well now, chat, which is fucking crazy. While waiting for the daily break of current high. Nah, I'd rather get an entry before we re-break that. It took sales with the 5 closed below 19. Nice, congrats. Like, yeah, not bad. I think the 15 was the move, to be honest. But again, I don't think it was a perfect setup, so that's why I didn't take it. $30-minute closure here in 2 minutes. Let's see what happens, chat. Let's see. I think there's a lot of opportunity here. If we close below this level and get a top wick first. Otherwise, if we can rip down towards the bottom of the level, get like a no bottom wick closure. We would be good actually for some buys. Otherwise, chat, if nothing forms on this 30, I'm going to call it, I think. Because I got shit to do and I'm going to be back on for the New York session stream anyway. Would you take a sell on the 30 or will you wait for the 4 hour? I don't know, bro. It's very difficult either way. If you bought on the lower candle, what does that mean? Shit to do, behave yourself? What do you mean? I have so much stuff to do. Swimming and sipping coffees ain't major. Now, I have to go to the post office. I have to go see my accountant as well. 30 minutes doesn't look bad right now, though. Closing here in about 56 seconds. It is going to respect this level. It's a 5-minute flipping. 5-minute did flip, chat. Holy shit. Okay, fair? Yeah, that is fair. I can't even go to the gym till later, unfortunately. Okay, cool. Let's see, chat. Let's see what we do. 30-minute looks like, chat, it looks like it might be a GeoGuessr pattern, to be honest. It looks like it might be a GeoGuessr pattern, but let's see how we open up. Can't take the sells, though. Yeah, I can't take the sells. Bottom wick first. Lights don't even look too bad, but nah, I think to be honest, chat, that might be it. I think that might have to be it, chat. Five-minute close, no top wick on my broker as well. Yeah, okay, chat, look, let's play the GeoGuessr. I'm back on stream tomorrow morning, obviously, for London session. We did take one trade today. It was a W, as in a break-even trade, well managed. We would have hit stops if we did not manage the way we did, so I'm definitely not unhappy with that. I think it was a good position to be in. And then also a good management to exit as well. So, yeah, cannot complain at all with that one. Otherwise, chat, we had a great day. It was a good stream. A lot of value, a lot of educations. NY stream, yeah, of course. So I'm going to be on NY in the private group. If you do want to join that, then make sure you do join right here. Otherwise, let's jump in that GeoGuessr and we can see how it goes. Spam that link. Fuck it. There you go. All right, I'll give you guys like 20, 30 seconds. Join. Actually, no, I'm going to say 10 seconds. All right, Danny, in a bit, man. Balkan breakfast. Pretty easy. All right, cool. 3, 2, let's start it up. What does that say? I've got no clue where the fuck this is. I'm trying to read some shit. Somewhere in Asia, though. Oh. Fuck, I was pretty close, eh? Not bad. Oh. I think isn't that a place? Lille? I don't know where the fuck it is, but I swear it's a place. No, okay, very wrong. Norway? How'd you guess that shit? Whoa, is this... Where the fuck is this? El Rey del Donna King, crazy. That is fucking insane. Where is this? Some fucking slum. Spain? Oh, yeah, it might be Colombia or somewhere like that. That's a good guess. I've already gone with Spain. I committed. Fucking Bucharest. How the fuck is that in Bucharest? Chat, tell me now. Tell me how the fuck that's in Bucharest. Even Kata didn't get it, right? Can you see Dacia's? Nah. This looks nice. This looks like Cyprus, to be honest, but I don't think it is. I think it's probably more like Ifrika. Nah, I don't know where this is, chat. Or is it like, I think it could be somewhere here, you know? Mexico? Maybe Mexico. Where are these mountains? Oh, fuck, I said South Africa as well, chat. What is... Chat, I literally said South Africa. Fuck me, bro. Why did I not guess it? I didn't back myself. Clearly didn't back myself enough, eh? Oh. I think I know this. Shit. Somewhere here? I don't know exactly where. I'm gonna stick it somewhere there though. Oh, close as fuck. Alright, Nels took a dub. Malenko second. Kata third. Alright, congrats. Look, chat, that's gonna be me done. If you did manage to catch anything today, congratulations. Otherwise, chat, we're gonna be back for the next stream. I'll catch you guys in the next episode tomorrow. Peace out, much love. See you guys in the next one, and bye-bye. Peace.